Gala, I'm Mich, and for today, I will be sharing my own version of Basque burnt cheesecake. Okay? So, Basque burnt cheesecake, nag-originate siya sa Spain 3 decades ago sa San Sebastian. So, let's make our own version. For the ingredients, I have here my cream cheese, my Swiss Valley cream cheese. Yan yung gamit ko na brand, guys, sa Global Pacific. I have 5 pieces eggs. I have sugar, all-purpose cream, and flour. Konting flour lang. Okay? So, let's start. If you have mixer, use paddle attachment. And then, number 1 tip, if you're making cheesecake, ang ingay ng mga mozzarella dito sa amin. I'm sorry. So, if you're making or baking cheesecake, make sure at least 1 hour na labas mo na si cream cheese. Okay? Sa chiller. Para at least malambot na siya. And then cut it into cubes. Cream natin to, medium speed, around mga 5 minutes. Okay? This time, kailangan preheated na yung oven nyo, guys, around 400. Okay? After 5 minutes, lagay natin si cream. And then, one by one, hulog natin yung itlog. Then, scrape natin yung side. And then, low speed ka. Okay, very low speed. Lagay natin si flour. So, once nalagay mo na si flour, mix mo lang konti. And then, get ready with your baking pan. Okay? This is 9-inch na cheesecake pan. Pwede namang hindi removable bottom, pwede removable bottom. Tapos, kailangan mag-overhang si baking pan. Okay? Hayaan nyo lang kung medyo pangit yung side. Yan talaga yung art ni Basque burnt. Do not overwhip. Tama na to. Scrape na natin at lagay na natin sa pan. Tapos, oops, yes. Bake natin. Kailangan mainit na si oven, ha. Bake natin 400 degrees Fahrenheit for around mga 30 minutes. And then after that, lower down natin konti. Yung tamang-tama lang na mag-black yung top. Because you want it burnt. After mga 25 minutes, pag nakita mong ganito na, okay, pwede mo siya i-down konti. Okay? Yung style ko ganito. Bababa yung gitna. Then, bake ko siya again hanggang masunog na yung top. Okay? Balikan natin. Perfect! Okay, so bababa yan after ilang minutes. Okay, so here's our Basque burnt cheesecake. Yan. So, medyo maalsa pa yung gitna. So, the moment mag-cool down yan, medyo magbaba yung center. Okay? So, pa-cool down natin bago natin tanggalin. Okay? There you go, our Basque burnt cheesecake. Okay? So, mas okay if overnight bago natin siya i-slice. Okay? So, for this, pwede diretso na benta or you can also dust confectioner sugar on top. Yan, pwede. Ganyan. Or ganyan yung style niya. Again, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. And by the way, guys, don't forget to ring the notification bell para updated kayo sa videos na. Thank you!